Here we've got Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Scroll down and go to security and location or fingerprint. So you can do it both ways, and then click on fingerprint manager. Now you can add your fingerprint to unlock your phone with it by tapping on next. At first you have to select some backup to your fingerprint, so it can be pattern, PIN code or the password. Let me pick pattern. And no thanks for secure startup. And now just draw the pattern that you would like to have as a backup. Click on next and then draw it one more time to confirm, and click on confirm. And now decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive ones, or if you want to see notifications at all. So I will pick the third option and then click on done. And now just touch the sensor which is on the back cover of your device, so just turn it around. And here is the sensor, so just keep tapping. As you can see here, your fingerprint will be added automatically. Okay, so just make sure to put it correctly, so it will scan all the edges, and that's it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added. Click on done to save it, and now you will be able to unlock your device with fingerprint only. Let me show you. I will just touch it on the back cover with my fingerprint, and now it's done, it's unlocked. You can obviously unlock it with this backup pattern, so let me show you. If you will borrow someone your device and he will not definitely have your fingerprint, he can simply use this pattern which we set up as backup. So that is all. This is how you can add a fingerprint to your Doogee. Enjoy it, protect your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.